Now what I will do here is I will start my development server first so that we can run this project and can see the initial default screen of this project. So let's add a new terminal. Click on this plus button and run command yarn iOS. It will open iOS simulator. So here is the starting screen of this project. There are two tabs, home and explore. Now let's go back to the Claude Code session. Let's give a prompt here. So let's say I'm writing here that I want one more tab. So add profile tab as a third tab. Now it start reading the files, all the files in our bundle. It's reading two files. So if you take a look at what it did, it searched through the code base. Ask, do you want to make this added to iconsymbol.tsx file? Say yes. Next, Claude Code asking, do you want to make this added or this change in layout.tsx file? So press yes. You can see Claude Code add few lines of code specifically for the profile tab. So again, Claude Code asks, do you want to make this added to profile.tsx file? Yes, profile.tsx file is the new screen which Claude Code has been created. So Claude Code is done with the changes, and now just reload the application. Let's open the simulator, and here you can see Claude Code added third profile tab. So what happened here is it opened up this code comparison tool that anti-gravity also uses for comparisons. Comparisons like Git, like commit changes, like current code changes. And on the left side, this is the original code before Claude Code did something to it. And on the right side, we can see the new version of that file. I mean the current changes that we did using Claude Code. So here we can clearly see that Claude Code added few lines of code just by pressing yes. We accept these changes. What we can revert all these changes if we are not getting our output just by using the key combination of Command Z in Mac and Control Z key combination in Windows. So what I mean is we can revert these changes very, very easily. We can also, we can see this discard changes icon. So by pressing this, we can discard these changes. We can revert these changes. So one more thing is, many Vibe coder don't like terminal for prompting. So you can also use Claude Code from outside the terminal. Here, if you click on this button, this search button, here, let's search Claude Code. And here you can see, select this focus input. If you click on the focus input, then it will open up a new window which allow you to have conversation, to start the conversation. Now you can share your prompt here. You can attach any file here from your system. Also, you can add context, means these are the files that exist in your project bundle. You can directly select these files and you can perform any task directly from this conversation window. There is one more option. If you have any browser tab, then you can also perform any task directly from this conversation window. You can also drag the images directly from here. You can also pick any image from your system and you can perform any action, any change directly from this chat window. So we will get back to that later in the course. And yes, the conversation window work in all the editors, no matter what you are using. But I like using terminal. So in this course, I will show everything using terminal.